This is Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you yet another front clip. What we have today is 2022 Kia Carnival. Customer's driving here from Florida, so we want to make sure we get an in-depth video and accurate description so he's not disappointed when he makes that long of a trip. This one's fresh out of the wash bay. We did go over it, spray it down, pressure wash it, make sure we discover anything we may have initially missed. This clean front clip is listed as having a little bit of under the bumper damage, scrapes, things of that nature, which is very, very normal. That's a 9 out of 10 scenario where you're going to find some issues underneath the cover. You can't see it when you're looking at it, but if you get under it, you can see it. Worth noting, one tiny little mark here on the cover. There in red. That should buff out with no issue. I'm not worried about that. Customer will be made aware though. Grille is intact, no issues there. Hood looks good, no issues found there. Dash is pulled out of this one. We generally pull the dash out unless we find an issue with it and we can't use it. Fender splash shields are in place. You'll see it sitting on this skid with a metal band holding it down. If you're picking up a front clip, this is exactly how it will be readied for your pickup. If we're shipping it to you, whole different scenario. Lots of expense involved, lots of details that we need to sort out. But if you're picking up, this is how it looks. Get you under the hood. Flick the light on for you. Doesn't do a whole lot, but it is what it is. Rad condenser fans, hoses. Our guys did a great job yet again. Did not cut any of the coolant hoses. Washer bottles over there. Overflow tank. Motor mounts. Not always left, but we don't sell them separate, so if you can use them and they're accessible for our guys to get them out without a whole lot of headache, we will leave them in place for you. Air cleaner box in that bag, some other miscellaneous items in that bag. AC lines intact, cowl cover, hood insulation, all the good stuff that you're going to need. So if you're in the market for a front clip, you have any questions, give me a call. Again, this is Jared. My phone number 800-222-2528, and my direct extension is 112. You can also find me Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, pretty much everywhere. Just look up Jared Weber Bros and reach out. Let me know. Thanks for watching.